This video has been brought to you by
COVID hair. I got a haircut. Thank you, Emily. Seriously. It's cocktail time. This week we're gonna make a summer breeze, which is actually a cocktail I've had before. Usually I make something I've never had before, but I've had this before. It's lovely. It's my wife's new favorite, so that's why I'm making it, because I'm on vacation this week and we're both home. So yeah, here we go. All we need is specifically coconut rum. In this case, we've got Malibu, we've got pineapple juice, peach schnapps, and cranberry juice. And we're gonna make this in a shaker. So, you can do it in parts, because that's how I found the recipe, but I equate everything to ounces. So we're gonna need 1.5 ounces of Malibu here, coconut rum. I'm gonna do it twice because, you know, awesome. And then we need 1 ounce each of pineapple juice and peach schnapps. I don't really know the history of this drink. I just know that it's delicious. Like, yeah, it's lovely. Yeah, I don't really. There's an ounce. I don't know anything about this drink. My wife sent me a picture with the directions written on the picture, and she said, "Make this," and I was like, "All right," and I didn't look it up because I didn't care to. And we need 1 ounce of peach schnapps here. Peach schnapps is slowly but surely becoming my wife's favorite booze. Big fan of drinks with that in it, she is. Okay. And now we need 1/2 ounce of cranberry juice. So I'm just gonna do a full ounce since I'm doubling everything. Bam, here we go. Why are we making it in a shaker? Because there's juice and alcohol together, so we're gonna shake it. I got some ice here. There we go. And again, we just shake it until we feel the whole thing go cold. And then we know it got stuck. Oh. Then we know it's ready to rock and roll. I forgot my strainer. Ethanol strainer. What I do like best about this drink is that it is best when, you know, you have company. And I'm not alone this week. So, cheers. It is really good. It's like a summer breeze. I really like it. If you want to get fancy, you could garnish it with like an apple slice. That'd be nice. Bonus cocktail. Here we go. I really like the raspberry White Claw. I didn't have White Claw until recently, and it's not bad. It's like a cocktail in a can. You can mix it with stuff to make it even more cocktail-y. Just Google White Claw cocktail, but why? That's not the point of cocktail. I mean, of White Claw. Anyway, I'll see you next week.